Hello everyone, I'm Ruby Ann Castro. What is probability theory? Probability theory is the study of chance and uncertainty. It helps us calculate how likely something is to happen. For example, rolling a die and outcomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How probability is used in IT. Probability plays an important role in many IT fields. Here are the most common applications. Machine learning AI algorithms use probability to make predictions. Example, predicting whether an email is spam or not, estimating whether a customer will buy a product, recognizing objects in image models such as naive Bayes classifier, hidden Markov models, Bayesian networks. These models rely heavily on probability theory. Number 2. Network security. Probability helps in detecting suspicious network traffic, calculating the likelihood of cyberthreat, identifying anomalies in user behavior. Example, if a login attempt looks statistically unusual, it may be flagged as risky. Number 3. Data analysis and statistics. IT professionals use probability to analyze system performance, estimate future usage, identify patterns in large data sets. Example, calculating the probability a server will become overloaded at a certain time. 4. Reliability and system failure prediction. Probability helps determine chance that hardware will fail. Expected lifetime of components. System uptime and downtime. MTBF, MTTR. Example, a disk drive might have a 0.02 probability of failure per year. Number 5. Algorithms. Use randomness and probability examples. Randomized algorithms. Number 6. Cryptography. Modern encryption often uses random number generation, probabilistic case, probability that attacker can guess a password. Example, the probability of random guessing a strong password is extremely low. Number 7. Quality assurance and testing. Probability helps estimate how many test cases are needed, likelihood of bugs appearing, risk the failures will happen, production. Simple real-life IT sample. A spam detection using probability. Email contains the word pre. Historically, 90% of emails with pre are spam. A probability model calculates the chance this email is spam. In the probability, 0.8 mark it is spam. Summary. Probability concept IT application.